Hello class. Today I'm going to read to you a book called Vincent van Gogh's Cat. And this book is about Vincent van Gogh, the artist, and it's written and illustrated by a second grade group of students. So I thought that was pretty exciting. And we are going to be using this book as our inspiration for this week's artwork assignment. And we are going to be putting Vincent van Gogh's work into a contour drawing of a cat. So an outline drawing of a cat. So contour lines are basically just the outlines of things that we see. And I'm going to go ahead and begin with the book. Vincent van Gogh's Cat. Vincent van Gogh's cat stepped out of a field of sunflowers. Vincent van Gogh is actually really famous for painting sunflowers, and you'll see some of those images in teams along with this assignment. Tiptoed around a pond of water lilies. Explored an exotic jungle. We know exotic just means things that are unusual or different. Leapt across a purpled landscape. So a landscape that we purple usually signifies that it is an evening landscape. So you might choose to use colors based on times of day. Twirled beneath the tree of life. Lots of nice contour lines here, as you can see. These are contour lines, the ones that outline the tree. Stretched beneath a flaming sun. This is actually a nice contour silhouette of a cat. So this might be the design that you use to fill the inside with Van Gogh style or Van Gogh subject matter. Dance through a sea of green taffeta. So taffeta is actually what is around this ballerina. It's kind of like a lacy material. Sang to the melody of three musicians. This is also a nice cat contour. So you can look at these and kind of draw inspiration for what you're going to use this week in your assignment. Reclined in an artist's moonlit studio. That's a nice studio. I sure do miss our studio. Napped near a child in a blue chair. Here's another interesting cat contour. The line around this cat gives a nice shape. Climbed a spiraling starry stair. Looks like a dancing cat outline here. That'd be kind of a fun one to do. Sniffed petals of a bright red poppy. Poppies are flowers, and Van Gogh had poppies in some of his paintings. He is from the Netherlands, and in the Netherlands, poppies are indigenous flowers. Basked in the warmth of a golden glow. Pondered the possibility of 9 lives. And waltzed into a starry night. Starry Night is one of Vincent van Gogh's most famous works. So Vincent van Gogh, he was born in the mid-1800s. That's around 1850, and he lived to the late 1800s, so he didn't have a very long life, but he is one of the world's most influential artists. Very, very famous artist. And so I hope you guys have seen some paintings that you might want to use in your artwork. There's going to be copies of his original paintings in teams this week to look at, and then you're going to be using your paper wisely. We always say, draw light until it's right, draw big or go home. We're going to use our space on our page to fill the composition on our paper, and you're going to draw an outline of a feline, and then you are going to fill it with designs from Vincent van Gogh's artwork. So this is going to be a contour drawing, an outline of a cat, and then you are going to fill it, the inside of it, with one or more of the subject matter that Vincent van Gogh used. You're going to write 2 sentences about your work, how you were inspired by Vincent van Gogh, and how you went about doing your specific drawing. Turn it into teams. You can use auto draw on this, or just paper and crayons and pencils and whatever you have at home. Have fun with this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the story of Vincent van Gogh's cat.